Tough. Tough. No, you pulled into me.
How if I'm in this lane, bro? How? I'm in this lane.
I was pulling into this lane.
You can't pull into this lane.
You were turning. I got a dash cam. I got a dash cam, whatever.
All right, well, pull up, switch insurance.
Yeah, we got insurance.
All right, well, come on, let's pull up.
Of course I do. I'm driving, ain't I? Okay, well, you talk to the police. You approached me. I'm telling you to calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Well, I'm gonna. Fine, you tell the police. You're on dash cam.
What do you think you're doing?
Wrong way, wrong way. You're a mother. Kasi tayo pahinsa yung so. So kaya गाड़ी ले आ रहा मेरे गाड़ी में.
Hey, let me tell you what.
Fire department will
Guess
be
what
on
it
our
matters?
way.
Guess what it matters? You safe, buddy. That's all that
Listen,
matters.
Fire department's on their way, I guess.
Yeah, but that makes it easier for
They
them to
want
pull
you
it.
to get away from it too.
Yeah, this is grounded. Yeah, he's hitting the bottom now. All right, buddy, here, this is the marker here.
Hey guys, I was unfortunately caught up in this road rage incident. You can see this white pickup truck right behind me cuts off this big green Dodge pickup truck. Evidently, I don't know what started this. And here comes the Dodge pickup truck up besides the white pickup truck, and we're on Highway 1488 in Magnolia, Texas. And you can see the concrete barricades down the side of the road, so this is a construction zone. You can see the guy in the pickup truck getting mad and hopping out. And here he is giving the guy in the green pickup truck the French salute. It looked to me like he threw something out of his car window at the green pickup truck before all this got started. I was kind of nervous. I was coming out of a dialysis treatment, so I'm a little bit groggy still. Trying to keep on, there's nowhere for me to go, because there's concrete barriers right me, or let me attract to riding, so I'm kind of stuck here. And this goes on for a little while. But I just thought I'd give this guy from Lone Star Landscape a little bit of attention on YouTube. By the way, if you want a really cool landscaper, his telephone number is 936-510-3740. His license plate number is Texas SPJ2099. Give him a call and tell him what a wonderful person you think he is, and how much you enjoyed this video. And here he is, he pulls up to the red light. And he's in the left turn lane. And as the light turns green, then he zooms off in front of the traffic on the